Good luck. Listen for the tone. Our pole sitter, Michael Monahan. Good start. Out front, Mark Brown. In second spot, we got Brian. Mark Brown driving a number 8 truck. Wow, three, sorry. Mark Brown now moving into second spot. Trying to hunt down Michael Monahan. Brian's got something to say about that. Driving that number 2 truck. Kuda driving the number 4 truck in the 5th spot. Battling with 7. Oh, Kuda turns a little early. Hyper Donut. Michael Monahan, if you guys see that number 1 truck come up on you, which is going to be a while, that is the leader driving that Monster Energy Buggy Rock Fox. This is race number 5. Race 6 should be ready. Race 7 should be coming to attack. This is the A-Main Euro truck. Mark Brown trying to do everything he can to inch his way forward to catch Michael Monahan, hoping that traffic becomes a factor. But we all like Michael, so I'm sure that won't be a factor. Everyone's going to let him by. They're going to let Mark by. Kuda sees that Michael's coming up on him. Oh my God, it's a freight train of traffic that Michael's coming up on. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Car 5, just so you know, that's your leader behind you. Kuda, thank you. Thank you. So Michael Monahan, your former mini champion TCS winner, showing what it's like to drive a Euro truck. Now you guys gotta let Mark Brown, that's the number 3 truck. Oh, we lost the cab. Aerodynamic advantage. Let's see what he could do. Number 5, just to let you know, the second spot guy is on you, but he's not there just yet. That's the green and yellow number 3. Thank you, number 5. Oh, easy. Mark Brown making his way through traffic. Michael Monahan at least a straightaway in a little bit. Advantage with 2 minutes to go. Monahan's truck's a little dicey on that left-hander. That cabless Euro truck, look at the straightaway speed that thing's got. It's got the aero advantage.
Don't put a double-sided tape. Get it on the first lap.
In the third spot, Brian McDowell driving the number 7 truck. So that number 7 truck has moved his way up. Car 2 and 7 actually battling it out for 3rd spot. That's the podium. So there is a battle for the podium between cars 2 and 7. So if you guys see 2 and 7, give them way. They are battling for that podium position, that final podium position. Monahan, that's blue-orange, that's the battle behind you. Blue-orange, that's the battle behind you. Thank you. Oh! Truck 2 making a way. He's trying to get that last podium position. Less than 30 seconds to go. Can 7 reel in number 2 for that final podium position? They're going to get maybe another lap after they cross here. Michael Monahan has checked out. Mark Brown has checked out. They're going to get one more lap Keep going, keep going. Paul DeBow, you are done. You got caught by the clock. And taking the win is Michael Monahan in second spot. Mark Brown, and in the third and final position for podium, Brian Rubalcaba. Good job. Followed by Brian McDowell, Craig Hammond, Kyle Renaro, Paul DeBouch, and Luke Fong Lee, and Carl Beltro. Good job.